Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothandeni esikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Emveni kwemeseji ebhalwe uFloyd izolo ekuseni, kuye kwaba khona ama-speculations amaningi kakhulu kabi. Usuku lonke izolo bekuthiwa uFloyd uzoresigna, uFloyd uzokwenze njani, uFloyd uzo-introduce i-political party entsha, uzofoma i-political party. Kuningi ukukhuluma okube khona. Kodwa-ke enkulumeni yonke kaFloyd angeke sikwazi ukuthi singayi-break-a down la kule video kuphela. Into esizoyenza sizoyithatha iy'gaba ey'balulekile. Kodwa iy'gaba engifuna ukuzithatha yilezi engizokwazi ukuzisekela mina. So ngoba ngumuntu we-evidence, ngumuntu we-evidence. Ukube nje ngafunda esikoleni ngangiyokwenza isayensi, ngoba isayensi yonke into yakhona iyaphrovwa. So isizathu esenza ukuthi ngenze le video, uFloyd uchaza isizathu esenza ukuthi asuswe as uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe party, kuthi uzodeploy eParliament. Emveni kwalapho wangabe esadeploy eParliament, isizathu esenza ukuthi ngiyikhave le party. Ngeviki eliphelile mhlawumbe ngenza amavidiyo awu-3 ngibuza ukuthi ngabe umkhonto wesizwe party wasiqambela amanga na? Ngakho-ke namhlanje siyitholile impendulo. So sizophendula lokho, kodwa-ke kuningi okushiwo laphaya. Iphuzu engizoqala ngalo nje ileli uFloyd alibekile athe angeke aresign kumkhonto wesizwe party.
Thank you very much for the questions. I have not resigned from Mkhonto Wesizwe, and I will never resign from Mkhonto Wesizwe. I'm a member of Mkhonto Wesizwe. So the constitution of Mkhonto Wesizwe says that the members are not allowed to participate in activities and programs of political parties whose aims and objectives are opposed to the objectives of Mkhonto Wesizwe. If Mkhonto Wesizwe believes that going to listen to the people violates the constitution, it will tell me that listening to the people is a violation of the constitution. I will not resign. I said I will never resign from Mkhonto Wesizwe.
So iphuzu lokuqala lika Floyd leli alishilo mase bembuza imibuzo ukuthi ngeke resign kumkhonto wesizwe party. So lokho sesikubeka eceleni, uFloyd useseyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Kodwa ke inhloso enkulu yevideo namuhla mawuzokhumbula istatement asibhala izolo, asikhumbuza nesona. Besithi laba abasebenze nabo bayazi ukuthi bagayidwa i-dictamen principle ka-Amilcar Cabral othi ungabafihleli lutho abantu, ungawakhuluma amanga, futhi wa-expose amanga whenever ekhulunywa. Bese kuthiwa mask no difficulties, futhi ungabufihli ubunzima, amaphutha, ama-failures, claim no easy victories. So le statement le shuthi inkulumo kaFloyd namuhla beyizohamba kulama principles lawa. So into engisizoyenza manje sizocaphuna ukuthi kwenzekeni kahle kahle. Kungani uFloyd kuthiwe uyaremovewa as uSecretary General, bayamredeploya to eParliament. Kungani futhi sesikubona sekungasenzeki, siyakhumbula ukuthi ama-email siwabonile. Sizothola lezo izathu-ke manje. La sizozwa khona ukuthi kahle kahle okuyikona okwenzekile ikuphi. Ngicela uzwe la.
We have called this press conference to speak about some of the recent political developments as it relates to the roles that we're playing in Mkhonto Wesizwe. That on the 3rd of June 2025, the leadership of Mkhonto Wesizwe, after national officials meeting, announced the discontinuation of my role as the Secretary General of Mkhonto Wesizwe. And when the appointment of the announcement was made, there was an indication that we would be redeployed to the National Assembly to form part of the parliamentary caucus of Mkhonto Wesizwe. The principle established in the public announcement was that no leader and no member of Mkhonto Wesizwe should speak about reasons why the decision was taken. But it appears that there are those who are talking freely and in most instances almost distorting just what transpired. So, as a disciplined member of Mkondo Sizwe, I want to put on record as to what were the reasons that were given the national officials for my redeployment. The reason given in the national officials for my deployment or removal as Secretary General was that I want to overthrow President Zuma as the president of Mkondo Sizwe. That is what was said. That all the work that we were doing as Secretary General of establishing structures and identifying leaders was meant ultimately at the removal of President Zuma as president of Mkondo Sizwe. And as part of that reasoning, an extremely bizarre and fake intelligence report was produced, which was claimed to be a conversation between me and some people in the African continent, where it is alleged that despite raising money to remove President Zuma, I'm also accumulating supernatural powers to make people disappear.
Ey'nsolweni ey'khona ezithi uFloyd ibeka inhloso yakhe bekufuna ukuketula uPresident Jacob Zuma. Angizi kumfakazela ukuthi ziyiqiniso, kodwa lokho akushoyo inkulumo ebilokhu ikhona vele kuMkhonto weSizwe Party. Ngizokucaphunela umuntu owake wayiveza lento le sangayinaka ngoba singayazi. Ngesikhathi ikhulunywa emva kwensuku ezimbili noma ezintathu uDuduzile Thuku Floyd, khona le ndoda yayingxenye ye-Youth League eyayihleli no-DJ Sbu, yona yakhuluma kanje.
There are even allegations when I put this board that Uflodi Shivambu is building a party within the party. There are such allegations, and such allegations must be cleared, because the way that he's been doing is like he's building his own thing, he's putting his own people, going around, putting structures, So members are starting now to be suspicious of his doings and his actions, and he must clarify those things in the manner in which he acts within the organization. He must not make us, to feel like as if he's here to hijack the movement or is an infiltration to build his own things. But there are such allegations.
So there are such allegations that he is infiltrating the organization.
Yes, they are. And in the manner in which he's acting right now, it makes people to really believe that. It makes people to believe that. But we do not want to jump into conclusions and all of that. But there are such allegations that are on the ground. And the members, they know it. We speak it amongst the corners. No one will speak it out openly, but there is such a talk in the organization. And myself, I didn't believe it at first, but how things have been unfolding, I'm starting now to believe it, because there's even a Mahonisi group which is currently lobbying and calling for Floyd to be president of Umkhonto. They're saying Floyd will be president of Umkhonto weSizwe. So such things, and they actually make you believe that there is such a plot that is busy doing within the organization.
Lezi zinto lezi abaziveza manje baze bethi uFloyd uhlangane nabantu abathize. Okokuqala bathi njengoba kudeploy abantu khandwa ama-structure, ubeka abantu bakhe is building an organization within an organization. So lento uFloyd ayishoyo into ekudala beyikhuluma abantu bomkhonto weSizwe Party, sekuzokwafika isikhathi sokuthi manje abamsole ngokusemthethweni. Njengoba umuza ubhuti ethi into ekhulunywa emakhoneni. Ngiyathanda ukuyifakazela lezi zinto ngolwazi enginalo. Asiqhubeke sizwe ukuthi uFloyd kwenza njani, kodwa insolo zokuqala abathi uFloyd uyazenza into endala kusuka nje eqalile efikile kuMkhonto, wavele wasoka ngazo kwasolakala ukuthi lo uzoketula umbuso ufuna ukuthatha indawo kaPresident Zuma. Into yokuqala nje eyayikhona not kodwa kuma-ground forces, funa siyilungise le ndaba, yonke lento ayikho kuma-ground forces, ikulabantu abathize abafuna izikhundla lapha kuMkhonto weSizwe. Asiqhubeke.
That is the reason why we had to deal with superstitious issues as the basis of what happens that there's apparently a head which was going to be given to give to someone, and some people were going to die so that I can become president of Umkhonto weSizwe. That was the intelligence report which were rejected with contempt and said that that is absolute rubbish, and said that if anyone claims to have my WhatsApp conversations, I can hand over my phone. I even offered in the meeting that take my phone and check not only the messages that you claim were about the removal of President Zuma, also check any other message about anything that I communicate as a leader of Umkhonto weSizwe. Because there's a principle which I always uphold, that there is nothing that I do privately that I cannot own up publicly. Nothing, including personal relations. There's nothing that I will ever do privately which you cannot own up publicly. And we accepted the redeployment to parliament with those misgivings that we're going to make people disappear in order to take over the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe. And in a subsequent meeting post that, another fake report was presented which claims to be WhatsApp conversations between me and someone else, where I'm reported to be saying that, yeah, I'm going to use parliament now to take over the party. And I've got money from Stellenbosch who are going to take over the party through parliament. They are taking me closer to where we're going to take power. And as a result, a decision was taken which was not yet communicated, that even this thing of parliament must not happen. In fact, the former Secretary General, which is myself, must be expelled from the organization. A letter was written and was put in the briefcase of the president, who said that he's going to dispatch it as and when he feels like to discontinue my membership of Umkhonto weSizwe. Those are actual facts.
Into esiyenziwe uFloyd la usesiqinisekisela ukuthi lawa ama-email esawabona ayeyiqiniso ngoba akasaye eParliament. Nakhona ngoba bathi-ke ukusondela kwakhe eParliament usazosondela eduze nokuthi aketule upresident. Futhi kunencwadi abayibhalile bayifaka kwibriefcase kapresident ukuthi funeka axoshwe kuMkhonto weSizwe Party. Asiqhubeke nje naye uza kahle uFloyd ngoba usesiconfirmela ukuthi lawa ama-email esawathola ayeshintsha lokho esasikutsheliwe ayiqiniso. Sekumthi email yathunyelwa uDuduzile ethumelele IECC ukuthi ayishintshe ilist lamagama azofaka enye ilist. Le ekubeka ke ngokusobala ukuthi uFloyd akasaye eParliament. Asidluleke siye phambili.
In terms of the reason, and where does this come from? So the president of Umkhonto weSizwe, whom I dearly and so deeply respect, is surrounded by political scoundrels who opportunistically use his kindness, sometimes gullibility that comes with age, to write down fake intelligence report to influence him towards wrong directions. And the reason they do that is because they want to steal money of Umkhonto weSizwe.
Floyd uveza ukuthi kunabantu abaseceleni kaZuma abangamankentshana abasebenzisa ukulunga kwakhe nanokuthi usekhulile bese bem-influencer nakabi. Njengoba ke bem-influence, inhloso yabo enkulu ukweba imali yoMkhonto weSizwe Party. Asidlule phambili, asiqhubeke.
And they are doing so now. Withdrawal of not less than 7 million rand every month from the organizational coffers. That is what divided, and that is what, and we're talking about this because we raised it internally, that stop what you are doing, because you're going to get the party deregistered as a political party, because there is no sound reason on what has been happening, and it's things that we can any reasonable doubt, not because it's things that you can change, and it's things that you cannot fake. And for that reason, when we raise every TG who has ever raised that got to be removed as leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe. And there's no TG who has resigned as Umkhonto weSizwe. All of them were removed to then deal with scoundrels who surround President Zuma to steal money of the organization.
Uthi Floyd bonke Treasurer General bomkhonto weSizwe Party abake bayiraise le ndaba yokudliwa kwemali bonke ba-remove. Akekho noyedwa u-Treasurer General womkhonto wesizwe party owaxoshwa kodwa bonke baresignile ngoba umuke wayiveza indaba yokudliwa kwemali. Labantu abaseduze kapresident bakuzela nesi lokuthi suka kuleya position ngoba bafuna ukudla imali. Kunabantu abadla imali. Ngiyacabanga ke njengoba bese kuney'nsolo ezithi uFloyd uthe uzokhuluma iqiniso. Usho njalo. Wathi uzoveza iqiniso futhi lento uthi into angakwazi ukuyiprova with no reasonable doubt bangayiprova. So asiqhubeke sizwe kodwa usekuveza ukuthi o-Treasurer General bomkhonto wesizwe party bonke abake baba kule position bayaresigna bonke. Akekho nje uqeda kubekwa u-Treasurer General anazi inyanga ey'ntathu akaze akhulume lutho ngoba uDr Thanti Mthanti kwakhala ukuthi ubhizi angeke asakwazi ukuqhubeka nokuba u-Treasurer General. Asiqhubeke.
I carried my responsibilities as a leader of Umkhonto Wesizwe with utmost respect and respected everyone. Led with the collective the process of drafting the constitution and other foundational documents of the organization. Set up structures as part of a collective effort. Got to institutionalize the MK Women's League, the Youth League, the Students' Movement, the MK Interreligious Movement, which in the past used to exist as separate organizations of the South African Interfaith Religious Council, MK Religious Desk, Abelapi Bendabuko, and various other organizations, interfaith, and then we got to unite them to have one organization. We got to even have to formalize the relations between Umkhonto Wesizwe and the Progressive Civic Congress. And formalize the relationship with MK and MK professionals, MK medics. There's a lot of commendable work which was done by MK medics, a group of medical doctors and health practitioners who were going to communities to offer healthcare services. And in the process of doing that, every day, the political scoundrels work endlessly to speak negatively about the work that we're doing. I was saying, actually, I said it in the National Officials meeting because we can't hold that meeting in private, even when people are talking now. That in December 2024, there was a statement written to remove me as the Secretary General on the basis that I'm about to announce a political party with Tokyo Zikwale and Lindo Sisulu, whom I have never spoken to about anything. Draft statement and was even shared with me. Remove him today because he is going to form a political party. And that is full-time work that is dedicated on everything that we do. When you sit down, it's a problem. When you stand up, it's a problem. When you go out, it's a problem. When you come in, it's a problem every day. Because those who surround him have got evil intentions in terms of what about to happen. I've got tremendous respect for President Zuma.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusuka manje sesiyasiqonda isizathu esenza ukuthi u-breakdown engeyona imember ye-National High Command kodwa akwazi ukusitshela 4 weeks before ukuthi uFloyd uzosuswa kwi-position yokuba u-Secretary General asiwe eParliament. U-Secretary General omusha kuzoba uPhumlani Mfeka. Asitshele kusasele 4 weeks ngaphambi kwaleyo nto yenzeke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje sesiyasiqonda isizathu esenza ukuthi i-information ivele noMary Phardy ezositshela ukuthi wayikhulumela ngomhla ka-28 ukuthi ngeviki elizayo kukhona ekuzokuzwa. Ngomhla ka-3 uFloyd Shivambu bese yasuswa kwi-position yokuba uSecretary General kuthiwa uya-redeploya to eParliament. Uma ekhuluma uMary Phardy uthi uFloyd funeka abuyele ku-EFF akasho ukuthi funeka asuke kwi-position. Mawuze uFloyd esethi cha labantu baze balungise ngisho iletha bayifaka kwi-briefcase ka-President Zuma ukuthi uFloyd funeka kuphucwe ubulungu bakhe ishuthi i-membership yakhe kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ngicabanga ukuthi kusuka manje usuyasazi isizathu. Kunabantu abasebenza lapha noJacob Zuma eduze okuyibona abalika le information basebenzisa iwengu enjengo breakdown uzibuza ukuthi uBreakdown ngoba akayona imember ye-National High Command uyithathaphi information futhi wayiba accurate. Uzibuza ukuthi ngoba uMary Pardee akayona imember ye-National High Command uyithathaphi le information, uyithathaphi. Kukhona enye indaba ebengifuna ukuyifaka sekulate, ngizoyifaka kwivideo elandelayo. Kodwa bengizama ukukuvezela ukuthi uFloyd usesiphila isizathu esenza ukuthi kuze kufike esinqumeni sokuthi akasuswe as uSecretary General. Kodwa isizathu esiqavile ngoba uthi kunalamanga asetshenzisiwe, kodwa isizathu esiqavile ukuthi labantu bafuna ukweba imali lapha kuMkhonto weSizwe Party. Bafuna ukweba imali. Yingakho nje kusuka kudala. Phela uFloyd ngiyacabanga ukuthi unele wabekwa as u-organizer womkhonto weSizwe Party, kwaqala kwavela izinkulumo zokuthi ubekwe lapha ngoba befuna ukuyisa i-EFF. Babona ukuthi leyo nto ayisebenzi, mayebekwe u-SG zaqala izinkulumo zokungamfuni ngoba bekufuneka kungena umuntu wabo lapha kulela office ozokwazi ukuthi benze naye imshikashika. So zonke lezi zinto ezishiwoyo njoba seziphuma manje into ekudala zikhona, ngikufakele kuvideo ukuprova lokho. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Siyeza namanye amavideo kushiwo uFloyd kuningi kakhulu, angesikwazi ukukhava ngosuku olulodwa. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.